where corruption is an accepted norm. There was a drama in our city many years ago. It used to ask a question.
Should it be made official?
This was at the beginning when corruption was like. So now they have removed the question mark. It is now etongozebwe.
It's been made official.
A senior government official was caught in corruption. Actually, he was selling fake dollars somewhere. And he was arrested. He went to jail. I think he served some kind of penalty or sentence.
Serving a sentence here.
And I was seated in the studios here. And we were discussing the same matter. And a person called our studio and said, waliwo omuntu eyasuza enjala kubanga yafunye sente okuva ku bazungu.
Is there somebody who slept hungry because somebody got money from the whites?
True. I don't know anybody who had gone to bed without food. So if you are stealing from somebody, but that man is rich, possibly he will recognize you stole from him 2 months or 2 years after you did it.
Even a year.
The understanding of Ugandans is, it is okay. Gwe wabye yabadde mugagga teyategedde na kutegeera nti wamubye wamumaze omusinza amagezi wamuyise kulitalaba.
Is that the one you stole from? I mean, you were able to teach them without knowing.
The culture of corruption and dishonesty has become the theft of our national destiny. People are willing to steal and go to jail for 5 years, and after that, come and enjoy the loot.
Abantu bamalirivu okubba sente naye bakkiriza babasibemu emyaka 5 bakomewo banyumirwe be babba.
The spirit of selfishness and lack of sacrificial leadership.
Omwoyo gw'okweyagaliza n'omwoyo ogwo gw'okubanga toyagala kwewaayo.
Nobody now
tewali muntu kati
wants to come to leadership
ayagala okujja mu bukulembeze
for service, to serve the people.
Okuweereza abantu.
They must scheme something. People sell homes and houses and plots of land. People take loans from government and everywhere, from banks.
Abantu batwala loan ne batunda amayumba gaabwe ne batunda ettaka lyabwe nga
to come into public office. And they know very well that by coming to public office, they will recoup their money, they will pay the bank loans, and they will get a profit on top of that. So we don't have any servant leaders anymore. There's nobody asking for your vote to do good to the nation. They're asking for your vote to be able to get a chance to steal from the government and from you and from the public. The spirit of poverty and need mentality. This is a limiting spirit. Uganda is not just a poor nation. It is an impoverished nation. Gwanga eryavuwazibwa.
eggwanga eryavuwazibwa.
It's not because it is poor.
Si nti nno njavu.
Not that we lack natural resources,
Si nti nno tetulina natural
or that
resources.
there are no means of being rich in this country,
Oba tewaliwo nkola ya kugaggawala.
but there is a spirit in the air.
Naye waliwo omwoyo mu bbanga.
And it's not simple human beings that some of you think politicians, bichi. No, it is a whole spirit. It's a big demonic spirit that wants to see Uganda poor.
Ate si bantu nti be bakirimu naye emyoyo eminene egyagala okulaba Uganda ng'eyasigala mu bwavu.
When a rich man shows up and brings out his small head,
Omugagga bw'alabikako n'aggyayo omutwe ng'ekyoyo kimukuba.
anybody who comes up,
Omuntu yenna avaayo.
any little business,
Ebizinesi yonna entono
a
evaayo.
spirit wakes up.
Omwoyo nga gugolokoka.
Even if you are a vendor on the streets,
N'oba ng'otunda bintu ku kkubo.
vending on the streets,
Okutembeeyo ku kkubo.
somebody in the city council will wake up like a mad woman or a madman and come running after you.
Omuntu agolokoka nga mulalu n'ajja nga akugoba.
And all your tomatoes are scattered. And the spirit is happy because at that stage you've gone back to zero.
N'asuulasuula ennyaanya zo kuba kati omwoyo guba musanyufu era guba gukuzizzaayo ku zero.
Shops are failing,
Amaduuka gagwa.
businesses are failing,
Ebizinesi zigwa.
companies are closing.
Kampuni ziggalawo.
There were telecom companies that closed business in this country.
Eriyo telecom companies ezaggalawo mu ggwanga lino.
Do you remember some of them?
Oyinazo ojjukira?
Do you remember?
Oyinazo ojjukira?
Any names you remember?
Oyinayo amannya g'ojjukira?
Who? Africell,
Africell,
Orange,
Orange,
Zine or Zane,
Zain,
Mango.
Mango.
I think we already said orange. So everything orange or apple, whichever, whatever, as long as they close business and they go home.
Baggalawo era ne bagenda.
I think there are several banks that are closing their businesses very soon.
Eriyo ne banks kati ez'enjawulo eziri mu kuggalawo.
Demons are stealing from us.
Emyoyo gitubba.
Demons are. Do you have any record? Have you heard of people who go to the Middle East or India or China or America and go to work?
Obadde owulirayo abantu abagenda mu Middle East.
Then they send money back to their own people in the villages to build for them, to buy plots for them, and all of that.
Nga bali eyo bakola ne baweereza ssente eno babagulire ploti babagulire ettaka mubabuulira.
And your own mother, your own brother steals all your money. After 4 years of work, you come back and they say, Gwegundi, eno Uganda jangu mpola. Nze siri mupakasi w'okumpereza ssente.
Ng'omaze okuweereza ssente
Ddayo okole endala zino nange zambulako.
maama wo kennyini oba muganda wo ye kennyini n'akunyaga ssente n'akubba, and he tells you that, well, Uganda is like that. Don't joke.
Don't joke.
You don't joke.
Bambi okusaaga.
Vambi okusaaga. Don't joke.
Have you realized
Okizudde.
how much Uganda is now accepting immoral living to be part of our society?
Gw'obadde okizudde nti Uganda kati yakkiriza obuseegu okubeera ekitundu mu society yaffe.
Nkireke. Ngenze kukiddako. Number 7.
Let me leave that.
Religious competition without true spiritual unity.
Ensonga ey'omusanvu okuvuganya mu ddiini okutali kwa mwoyo.
Even where balokole are involved,
Ne mu balokole bennyini
is competition that shouldn't be.
namwe mulimu okuvuganya okuteetaagisa.
Why compete over what?
Lwaki ovuganya ku ki?
Number 8.
Ensonga ey'omunaana
Lack of national purpose, national vision, and therefore national discipline.
okubanga eggwanga tetulina kwolesebwa, tetulina paapasi kigendererwa.
This nation does not know where it wants to go.
Eggwanga lino terimanyi lijje liraga.
I've never had a minister of guidance stand up anywhere and tell the nation where to go.
sirabangako minisita aluŋŋamya ayayimirira mu ggwanga lino n'abuulira eggwanga gye liteekwa okulaga.
We don't know. We don't have a national vision.
Tetulina kwolesebwa gwa ggwanga.
Those who have it, those who know it don't have it, and those who have it don't even tell anybody.
Abo abalina okwolesebwa tebatugamba.
No vision.
Okwolesebwa tekuli.
This country has no vision.
Eggwanga lino teririna kwolesebwa.
If there is a vision, and I know there is a vision,
Nkimanyi okwolesebwa gye kuli.
but it is not taught.
Naye tekusomesebwa.
You can't talk about nationalism in this country.
Osobola kwogera ku nationalism mu ggwanga lino.
It is actually stupid to talk about nationalism
Actually kya busiru okwogera ku nationalism mu ggwanga
or
lino.
patriotism.
Oba okwogera ku kwagala eggwanga lyo.
No one
Tewali
can stand up and claim to be talking as a patriot.
tewali muntu ayinza kuyimirira mu ggwanga lino n'ayogera nti ye ayagala nnyo eggwanga lye.
Whoever wants this nation wants a part of it, to eat it, to fill their tummies.
Buli muntu ayagala eggwanga lino alyagala olw'okuba ayagala kubaako kyalya kyalijjamu yekkuse.
So,
Akati
those are the things that God revealed to me.
byebyo ebintu Katonda bye yandaga.